Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing jewelries, craft ideas, a lot more. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful air dry clay earrings. So let's dive in with today's tutorial. So before go far, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such videos in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have top 100 amazing jewelry ideas, patterns, which you can very well download it. It's a PDF download which you can use these ideas for creating your own jewelry line, for creating the jewelries for yourself or for your friends and families, for gifting to someone else. It's a PDF download which you can very well use it as a patterns, can take a printout of it, or you can simply use it as an ideas as well. Make sure you download it out. The link is in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. earrings. Hopefully you find it useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.